What's up, everybody? I picked up this Topps Series 2 baseball box today. We're going to open it up and see what it's got. I hear all this mess about hangers or bangers and all this. Well, let's see what comes in here. All right. Give me some good ones today. Need some good ones today. Pull Superfractor out of here. Weston Wilson, rookie card. Ooh, that's nice. Jason Dominguez, look at that. It's a shiny. Matt Olson. Stars at MLB. Trash at MLB. I think they make more of those than they make the base cards, man. Junior Caminero. Ooh, look at that. It's a shiny chipper. Ooh, Chipper Jones. I don't like these things, man. Every time I pick one, they hit a home run the next day. Just my luck. Need some good rookie cards out of here. Get old Yamamoto. I think Ellie was in Series 1, but I think he's got a Stars at MLB in this one. There you go. He got a Round the Horn rookie card. And a Mason Wynn rookie card. Oh, that, yeah, all right. Okay, it does. Thought it didn't say rookie card on it down in the bottom right. Josh Bell, I like old Josh Bell. Jung-Hoo Lee rookie card. Brandon Pfaadt. Blue parallel. David Ortiz. And Jose Altuve. I don't think the Mega Box has a guaranteed hit. Got a silver pack in there. Huh. Oh, Gunnar Henderson. Oh, sparkly Jordan Walker. He's back down in minor leagues now. Them fellas young though, man. They get knocked back down in the minor leagues. They can come back. They was good to start with. That's what got them there. Hopefully they can make it back. Hopefully they don't get down in the dumps. Never know. Just got to keep on keeping on, like Joe Dirt says. Oh, PCA. There's a Yamamoto. Yamamoto Chrome rookie card. Prince Fielder. Oh, Prince Fielder, man. I thought he was going to be good. What did he play, like 8 years? He got that money and hauled, boy. See ya! Come on, man. Give me some good stuff. A-Rod. Manny Machado. Where's my old Superfractor? Give me Superfractor out of Mega Box. Hey, there's a nod. Nice. Casas. Florida Carson Spears. Oh, Joey Votto. Joey Votto sparkly. So we got a Chipper Jones sparkly and a Joey Votto sparkly. Ceddanne Raffaello. Old Popcorn Kettle Marte. Why does everybody call him Sandy Alcantara? Alcantara. Oh, crazy name. Marco Luciano. Juan Soto. We got a sparkly Soto. How about that? I guess you don't have the silver packs anymore. They just randomly distribute them throughout the other packs. Tukey. Look at Bo Jackson. Carlos Correa. What do we got here? Willier. Nelby Marte, he just come back from his suspension. And rookie year, he already gets suspended half the season. Mookie Betts. Jason Dominguez. Hopefully he didn't skip a beat. Will Nelby Marte come back and rip it up? I wonder if he's related to Popcorn Cattle. Uh-oh. Minaga. Rookie card. Nice. Numbered to 299. That's a nice card. Who we got here? Adley. We got Adley Sparkly. Francisco Lindor. Got some good sparklies. I guess they only make good players in those cards, though. That's why. Chipper Sparkly. Soto. Adley. Not bad. Eloy Jimenez. He got a brother named Enoy. One letter difference. There he is. Nelby. Kyle Harrison. Man, we down to the last 3 packs. Need my super fractor. Garrett Mitchell. PCA. Bregman. Trey Turner covering the field. Nolan Arenado. Last pack Magic. Probably last pack bomb out, but still. Gotta say it, you know. Give me something good. Chrome. Francisco Lindor. Who we got here? Oh, Mark McGwire, Sparkly. What's wrong with his face? Look at that. And Nelby Marte. That's it, people. Wasn't good. Wasn't bad. Y'all like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.